Very good afternoon, dear students. In today's class, we will discuss about the format and working of ternary operator. In the note that I have sent yesterday, you have seen the working and format of ternary operator with examples. Today, we will discuss in detail about the working of ternary operator. Ternary operator, as you know, is a conditional operator, means it is used for checking condition. The ternary operator is also a conditional operator that is used for checking a particular condition. And the symbol of ternary operator is question mark and colon. The symbol for ternary operator is question mark and colon, not semicolon, colon. It is called ternary because it works with three expressions. This operator is called ternary operator because it works with three operands or three expressions. Okay, let's study in detail the working of ternary operator. The ternary operator is a conditional operator that can be used as an alternative to if-else statement. The ternary operator is a conditional operator that can be used as an alternative to if-else statement. So the ternary operator is used for replacing the if-else statements of the following form. If the if-else statement expression is in this given form, it can be written by using ternary operator. Once again, the ternary operator is a conditional operator that can be used as an alternative to if-else statement. The conditional operator is used for replacing the if-else statements of the form if, condition, expression 1, else, expression 2. Expression 1 maybe statement 1 or statement 2. Okay. How is the working of this if-else statement here? The if-else statement, as we have already studied, it checks a given condition. If the condition returns a true value, expression 1, that is statement associated with if, will be executed, and if the condition returns a false value, the statement or expression associated with else, that is expression 2, will be executed. So this is the working of if-else statement. Now let us see how do we can convert this if-else code by using ternary operator. So what is the use of ternary operator? The ternary operator is a conditional operator that can be used as an alternative to if-else statement. The conditional operator is used for replacing the if-else statements of the following form: if, condition, expression 1, else, expression 2. Now let us see how the same statement is written by using ternary operator. The above code can be written by using ternary operator as given below here. So this is the format of ternary operator. All of you must be attentive here. You have to learn the format of ternary operator thorough. The format is first condition. First condition. The condition is tested. Condition, then question mark, then comes expression 1, colon. After expression 1 is not semicolon, colon. Next comes expression 2, semicolon. Here First, the condition is tested. The condition is tested. If the condition returns a true value, expression 1 will be executed. If the condition returns a true value, expression 1 will be executed. And if the condition returns a false value, expression 2 will be executed. If the condition returns a false value, expression 2 will be executed. So this is the same code that we see here by using if-else statement. So when we convert the same code by using if-else statement, by using ternary operator, it will be in the format first comes condition. There is no if statement required here. When we use ternary operator, there is no need of using the keyword if. Condition in bracket, question mark, expression 1, colon, expression 2. Condition is tested. If it returns a true value, expression 1 will be executed. If the condition returns a false value, expression 2 will be executed. So all of you have to learn the general format of ternary operator. Okay. Now let us see the working with the examples. Now here one example is given. The example here, the code is written by using if-else statement. Int n1, n2 large. There are three variables used in this code. All are of int type. n1 and n2 are for storing any two numbers, and large is the variable for storing the larger number. Here we don't write the entire program. We see here only a part of the program or a part of the code. Here, this code is meant for finding the larger number. Here, the condition is tested. What is the condition here? If n1 greater than n2, if the number stored in the variable n1 is greater than the number stored in the variable n2, then large equals n1. Large equals n1. That means the number stored in the variable n1 will be stored in the variable large. Else means if n2 greater than n1, large equals n2. So here a condition is tested. The condition is n1 greater than n2. If the n1 is greater than n2, the number in the variable n1 will be stored in the variable large, else the number in the variable n2 will be stored in the variable large. So when this code is completed, what is stored in the variable large will be the larger among two numbers. Now let us see how the same code can be written by using ternary operator. The first statement is same, int n1, n2, large, three variables. First comes what? First comes condition. What is the condition here? n1 greater than n2. Then comes what? Question mark. Then comes expression 1. What is expression 1 here? Large equal to n1. So that is, we write here large equals n1. Then comes what? Then comes colon. After colon comes what? Then comes expression 2. What is expression 2? Large equals n2. So here comes large equals n2 semicolon. So this is a code by using ternary operator. So we can simplify this same statement like this, because the variable large is same here. So we can write, instead of repeating the variable large here, we can write large equals n1 greater than n2 question mark n1 colon n2. If condition is true, the number in the variable n1 will be stored in the variable large. If the condition is false, the number in the variable n2 will be stored in the variable large. So this is how we have converted this if-else code by using ternary operator as per the given format. Now let's see one more example. So here the code is written by using ternary operator. The code is written by using ternary operator. Double ABG equal to 0.0 car grade. ABG is of double type, grade is of car type. ABG greater than 60, ABG greater than or equal to 60 is the condition. Question mark. Grade equals A colon grade equals B. So let us see how can we convert this code by using if-else statement. Yes, this is how do we convert this ternary operator statement by using if-else statement. First what comes? If is, then comes condition. What is the condition here? ABG greater than or equal to 60. That condition comes here. Then what is expression 1? Grade equal to A. So grade equal to A semicolon. See, we use colon only in the ternary operator statement. We use the colon only for ternary operator statement. Grade equals A. Yes. Grade equals B. So that is how do we convert this ternary operator code by using if-else statement. Let us see the one more example. This example was given as homework yesterday. Not many of you have sent the homework. Those who are not done the homework, please complete it and understand the logic. Rewrite the following by using ternary operator. Here, the code is written by using if-else statement. Int x, comma var. There are two variables x and var of int type. If x greater than 100, var equals x plus 10. Else var equals x minus 10. Then, how do we convert this statement by using ternary operator? Listen here. The variables are same, int x comma var. First comes what? Condition. What is the condition? X greater than 100. So that condition comes here. Question mark. Then expression 1. What is expression 1? Var equals x plus 10. So var equals x plus 10 colon var equals x minus 10. How does it work? Here the working is same. Condition is tested. If the condition returns a true value, this expression will be executed, and if the condition returns a false value, the second expression, that is var equal to x minus 10, will be executed. And also, as we have seen in the previous example, we can rewrite this statement into more compact form like this. Var equals x greater than 100, x plus 10 colon x minus 10 semicolon. I think you have understood the logic and working of if-else statement and ternary operator. You have to write the note if you are not written the note in the notebook, and there is a homework that will be sent. All of you have to work out the homework and write the homeworks to me today itself. Don't forget, all the students must send the homeworks. Yesterday I got only a few responses, so don't repeat it. All of you take it very seriously. That's the end of today's class. Thank you.